I am Muskan Learned and I'm here with a purpose. It was always my dream to be able to support a noble cause, and fortunately for me, this dream of mine was realized at the early age of 14. Since the past 3 years, I've seen myself growing as I spent time actively with the members of Habitat for Humanity India. Each and every instance which we were a team to inspect the various sanitation facilities at schools in rural areas motivated us even more to create a healthy hygienic condition for the girl child so as to curb the school dropout rate. Having inspected and surveyed the school, we had the opportunity to interview some girls and the dorm parent, which helped us understand their problems clearly. This also gave us an impetus to concentrate on their urgent needs. It was rightly pointed out how and why it was necessary to increase the number of bathrooms at a reasonable ratio, considering the strength of the girl students. Having access to a reasonable number of bathrooms was a plus factor as it surely saved the time of the girls.
हमारे स्कूल में टॉयलेट और बाथरूम कम थी। हाइब्रिड के वजह से टॉयलेट और बाथरूम की संख्या जास्त हुई है।
दीपाली दिनेश पवार, मैं यहाँ की स्टूडेंट लेडी स्टूडेंट हूँ। यहाँ पे लड़की 100 से 100 तक रहती है हॉस्टल में। पहले यहाँ 10-12 साल पहले 3 ही टॉयलेट और बाथरूम था। फिर बाद में जो हैप्पीनेस और प्रधानमंत्री के जो इन्होंने जो नया बनाया है, बनाने के बाद इन लोगों को बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है। पहले ये 5 बजे उठना पड़ता था इन लड़की लोगों को, अभी ये बनाने के बाद 6 बजे उठती तो भी उनका पूरा हो जाता है।
पेरेंट्स की वजह से उन्हें स्कूल आना मुश्किल पड़ रहा था। अब इजी हो गया है, लड़कियों का क्लास मिस नहीं होता।
It also gave me an opportunity on behalf of Habitat for Humanity India to interact with the girls, console them, educate them, clear their misconceptions and doubts, make them feel comfortable, make them realize the value of education, and overall the importance and necessity of cleanliness, health, and hygiene. Coming to the crux of the problem of rural areas was the problem of open air defecation. This has been taken up as a challenge to get rid of practice of open air defecation in spite of the erected toilets. Women in villages have to wait all day long as they can't defecate in open during the daytime. It also causes biological problems. Water is another area of concern to supplement the progress of hygiene and cleanliness, considering the senior citizens. Even Western toilets have been installed, although a lot has to be done on the maintenance side, which we're definitely working on. Another issue of concern is the ill health that is persistent due to the burden of fetching heavy pots of water at the waist or the head from faraway distances. Carrying heavy loads of water pots has also caused young women to suffer more miscarriages, and women who have recently given birth are more likely to have a fallen womb. A boon that has been introduced to the people of village is a water wheel, which is a 45-liter cylindrical drum which can be rolled on the ground, hence eliminating a lot of physical strain. It can easily be maneuvered by any age group. Habitat for Humanity has distributed 3,000 plus wheels all over India in rural villages. and it has impacted 3,000 plus families.
हम दिन में तीन बार पानी लाने के लिए जाते थे, 3-4 बार पानी लाने के लिए जाते थे, लेकिन वॉटर ड्रम दिल्यामुळे आम्ही आता फक्त 2च वेळा पाणी आणायला जातो.
After having interacted with the students of the school and residents of the village, it's further given us a chance to prepare to look at all the areas of needs that are still desired to be attended to. It really gives me a proud feeling of satisfaction that I'm able to make many faces smile.